welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a makeup look, and I am excited because I've added 12 new shades to the Stacye Collection. I mean, I love this set that I've added to the collection. You guys have to go check them out. Follow me on Instagram. I tried on every single color in one sitting, might I add, and you guys know how hard it is to swatch matte lipsticks when they dry down. It's take them off, put it on, take it off. You know, it's kind of hard, but I did all 12 shades for you guys on Instagram. You can see how I wore them. And also, for you guys who are afraid of matte lipsticks, let me tell you, with just a clear gloss on top of them and you just turn into a glossy lip, it looks so pretty. You have the perfect long lasting glossy lip, and because it's a matte lipstick, it'll last even longer than a regular like satin or sheen lipstick. I wanted to start off with a nude lip because I just feel like I just love nude lips. I love, you know, a pop of color in the eyes and nude lips. We're going to get into the bold colors later, but today we're going to be doing this look, and we're going to be featuring one of my natural nude shades. This one is called Sweetie. It's more of like that mauve-y nude color, not so much like skin color, but like a touch of mauve pinkish tone undertone to it. Very affordable, quality lipstick. Follow me on Instagram. I also post a lot of people that have tried the lipstick, so you get like customer feedback, some reviews over there. Also, and if you guys purchase, take pictures when you get your lipstick. I love first impressions. I post them on my Instagram. It just makes me excited to see how you guys react to them. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into the makeup video.